Look, women can be difficult to a certain extent, but there's certain things that most women, I would say like 98% of women want in a man. They want men to perform or to be or to do. That is not as hard as you think they are. And the more you do these, the more desirable you become and the easier it becomes for you to attract a girl. I'm gonna give you a great one. Being masculine. Look, no girl wants to be in a relationship with another girl. No girl wants to be in a relationship with another guy that's extremely feminine. You need to understand that as a man, you should build on your purpose, on who you are. You have inherent masculine traits that run through you just by nature, by biology, by the fact that you have more testosterone running through your body. It is what it is. And the more you exemplify those traits, competitiveness, dominance, assertiveness, discipline, the more you become a counterweight against the feminine traits, which are equally great and that they exemplify. And what ends up happening is when you become that counterweight, that's what they look for, right? They want that opposite. They crave for that. I'm telling you right now, forget the whole BS that you hear about female, gay. No, they want a masculine man. This takes me to number 2. For you to just be clean. Just not be a slob, bro. The bar is set so low, you just have to not be dirty. Like that. That's literally it. I'm not even telling you to go getting manicures or freaking facials or anything over the top, which if you do, great. But what I am telling you is to just be clean, bro. Like smell good. Like don't be smelling musty. Make sure you take those showers in the morning. Make sure you use the right body wash, the shampoo, the conditioner. Don't be using 3-in-1s. Use the right, like, it's crazy because it sounds like I tell you to do a lot, but when I show you my morning routine, like I can get showered and do my entire morning routine in about 5 minutes. Faster than most of you. Most of you are probably spending half an hour just wasting water in the shower. In about 5 minutes, you can do everything you need to make sure you come out smelling and looking handsome. Great. Go watch my 5-minute shower routine. I do everything, the shaving, the face products, the shampooing, the conditioner, and a lot of it is about setup. You want to set up your bathroom so everything you need is right where you need it. This is why with Heat Grooming, I try to make it as easy as possible. Yo, especially if you check out our shower bundle and everything else we have with our shower bundle, our shampoo, our body wash, and conditioner, it'll be the best that you use out of any products that you can find online. That's pretty much a guarantee. Yo, our stuff just smells so amazing. You step out of the shower smelling like you have a high-end fragrance. But we don't stop there. I'll tell you what, if you guys check out our shower bundle, which will be linked down below, I'm gonna give you 20% off if you subscribe. But I'm not stopping there. I'm also gonna give you our shower organizer. It's a silicone set that goes in your bathroom that allows you to organize your razor, your toothbrush, your body scrubber. That way you have everything that you need where you need it. It also looks super minimal and sick, so like your bathroom looks sexier, but more importantly, you got what you need when you need it. And I'm not even gonna stop there. I'm also gonna include our silicone body scrubber and our facial scrubber. That way you have those two ready to go when you need them, Then, with that, you have no excuse. Yo, you pretty much have the same setup I have in my bathroom, and like I said, in 5 minutes, I'm in and out, and you smell and look great. If you guys wanna check that out, I'm gonna give you those 3 gifts completely free if you subscribe today, plus 20% off. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, she wants you to carve your own path, bro. She doesn't just want you to live with your parents your whole life, especially if you're 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yo, stop making it an excuse that the world is just expensive. The world's always been expensive. Inflation always hits. Every generation has always felt that their generation is more expensive than the last. That is how it works. That's how money works. You just have to work a little bit harder. You have to put higher ambitions for yourself, especially if you know she's also your age and she has your own place. Because I guarantee you women never date down, and what she is going to do is she's going to start judging. She's going to start thinking, yo, wait a minute. Why do I have my own place and he doesn't? Right? That's going to show your lack of ambition, your lack of inactivity, that the fact that she was able to get something that you're not, I'm telling you right now, she's going to look down on that. You need to carve your own path. Number 4, just compliment her. And this can be physically, right? Like she looks beautiful, but also when she does something nice for you, right? If she does something nice for you, compliment on that. Women just want acknowledgement. And more importantly, you have to realize that the time you do it is also important, right? You can't just start complimenting girls, especially if you don't know them. You have to have an emotional connection with this girl. Once you have that emotional connection, you've been on 1 to 2 dates, maybe 3, that's when the compliments start. Before that, you're a simp. 5, be proud of her. This one's interesting. Because if you're in a relationship right now and you're asking yourself, should I dump her or not? If you're not proud of her, dump her. You should be proud of your girl, how hot she is, how smart she is. You should want to show her off, right, to your friends, to your family. And if you catch yourself trying not to post her, trying not to show her off, that's not the girl. That's not the girl for you. You're probably just with her for comfort because that's what you were able to get. But once you get a girl that's beautiful, that can level up your status, you'll want to post her, right? Because it's supposed to build you up as a man. But if you're with the current girl and you're not proud of her and you're actually trying to hide her, dump her, bro. That's not for you. This takes you to number 6. You want to keep her on her toes with everything. In the bedroom, when it comes to dates, with your romance, with your compliments. Try to keep it unpredictable. The more unpredictable you are, the more fun it is for her. It's exhilarating. You're keeping that excitement high. That's all she wants, bro. She wants that adrenaline running through her body, the butterflies. You give her that, she's in love with you.